Alright, here's the carnage from that black server, that rack server, and that Power Edge 2550. In the Power Edge, I got two of the power supplies with the gold fingers. See the gold fingers? Then in the other one, I got just that. And I mentioned what the other one was in the other video. There was no hard drive in the rack server. In the Power Edge, there was two hard drives, and then for some reason there was this stupid looking thing. It's just a floppy drive. Was no disk drive though. Some fans, some wire, some aluminum, and then some other miscellaneous bull crap. Here's out of the rack server. Start with the main board. Well, we'll start with the RAM. Had 3 sticks of old server RAM in it, but it's got this Orion chip. Really nice double gold cap chip. And the main board is loaded with chips. I mean, just absolutely loaded. There's a lot of good stuff on the back too. Chips and, well, those are chips as well. I was thinking they were tantalum capacitors, but they're chips. There is some tantalum capacitors. There's some yellows and some blacks. Here's just a pin board. A lot of gold pins on it. Well, there's gold pins on it. In there. In there. Here's the back plane board. It's got some of those yellow chips. A lot of pins. A lot of gold pins. Even those are gold. I don't know what them are, but they're neat looking. Gold. Here's one of the smaller boards. All the chips. Most of them are just IC chips, flat packs, and there's not a lot of. There's some smaller chips on here and some pins. Same way with these. Some good chips. Tantalum capacitors, big yellow ones. Some pins. Some MLCCs. And then the last board, tantalum capacitors, chips. Tantalum pins. A lot of tantalum capacitors though. On the back side there's a lot of tantalum, a lot of MLCCs, some resistors, and some of those yellow looking chips. Now, out of the Power Edge, it wasn't as impressive, but it's still good value as far as stripping, depopulating. These are just, I don't know what these are, but there's 2 of those. One chip and a bunch of junk and stuff like this, where I believe this one, yeah, it's where one of the SCSI drives hooked. But there'll be some pins and stuff like this. Slot cards, power strip, whatever this was. And another one of those SCSI things. And then this was for the hard drives. This thing would take up, I don't know, I think 4 hard drives is what it was capable of. It was a dual CPU, just Pentium 2s. the board, it's a pretty good board. Dual socket, a lot of RAM, a lot of high grade chips under these. I haven't peeled these aluminum up yet to see what's under there, but I'm assuming it's good chips, or I guess flip it over. Yeah, a lot of MLCCs and some chips on the back. There was this. I have no clue what this was. It was under the hard drives, but it did not connect to the hard drives, so who knows. But it's a good value board. Slot card, Goldfinger. There's a board I'll cut the Goldfinger off of. I hope I'm getting all this. It's decent looking board. Backplane board, Goldfinger, pins in there. And then 5 sticks of RAM. So these 4 went in the 4 slots by themselves, and then this one went in the other one. So it's 5 sticks, gold-fingered RAM. And these are neat. They chips on both sides, and then extra chips on it. So I don't know. I'll look those up, and if they're worth more, then they're worth more. But I told I'd do this video, so there you have it. I did this video. Alright, YouTube, have a good one. Bye.